Good morning to everyone. Dear students, in the last class, we learnt about the organic halides. In that, alkyl halides. Alkyl halides means the combination of carbon and hydrogen, and halide is attached to this carbon and hydrogen atom. And in that, here for alkyl group, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced, and that place is covered by halogen atom, and this is monohalogen derivatives. It means single halogen atom of alkane that is obtained by the replacement of one hydrogen atom of alkane by halogen atom. Okay, and then they are represented by the general formula of CnH2n plus 1. For alkanes, CnH2n plus 2 is the general formula, but here one of the hydrogen atom is replaced, so that's why it gets a plus 1 and X. Okay, here common name for alkyl halide is same as it is alkyl halide. First we have to write a alkyl group and then halogen group. For IUPAC name halo alkanes, it means first we have to write a halogen group and then alkanes group. Okay, next is isomerism in alkyl halide. Here alkyl halide exhibit as structural and stereo isomerism. It means mainly optical isomerism. Okay, in that first one is chain isomerism. Chain isomerism, it relates to molecule with same molecular formula. We know that isomerism is a same molecular formula but different structural formula. Here same molecular formula is there but different carbon skeleton. It means carbon atom should be changed their position. Okay, in the chain isomerism, here you have to see this. This is 1-chlorobutane and this is 1-chloro-2-methyl propane. Okay, next is position isomerism. Here it has a same carbon skeleton. It means the carbon atom does not change but functional groups in different positions. Okay, here this is the iodine is the functional groups. Okay, this will be changes. Here the iodine is attached at first carbon atom, here at second carbon atom. This will be changes. Okay, this is all about the position isomerism. Last one is isomerism in alkyl halide. The last one is optical isomerism. Okay, optical isomerism. Here we know that optical isomerism means they have the molecules that have a same molecular formula but have a different arrangements of the atoms in space. Okay, it is very different for those from those isomerism because here the molecules they have a same molecular formula but have a different arrangements in the atoms. Okay, it means the atom should be changes their places. That is called it as a optical isomerism. Okay, here for example the compound 2-bromobutane 2-bromobutane. 2-bromobutane has a chiral center. Okay, chiral center means the carbon atom should have a bonded with the 4 different atoms. ಈಗ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಗೆ 4 ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಾಂಡೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ 4 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ chiral center. Okay, hence it can form enantiomeric pair. It can form enantiomeric pair which is identical in structure but different in the spatial arrangement of the atoms. Okay, it means this 2-bromobutane has a chiral center. It means the carbon atom should be bonded with 4 different atoms, and that is called it as a enantiomeric pair. It means we get a 2 compounds and which is identical in structure. When we see that compound, they have an identical structure but different in the spatial arrangement of the atoms. It means the places should be changes from one another to another. Here you have to see the example 2-bromobutane, CBr, C2H5, CH3H. Okay, here you have to give a number 1, 2, 3. From this side also this carbon gets a 2, so 2-bromobutane. It means 4 carbon atom is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2 carbon atom is present, so 2-bromobutane. Then it has a mirror images. Okay, when we put a mirror to this compound, this look like the CH3 comes to the right side, the C2H5 goes to the left side, C2H5H. Okay, this is also 2-bromobutane, but there will be changes only the methyl group and the ethyl group, because when we look it in the mirror, this should be look at the left side and this will be at the right side. Here you have to say this, these have a same structural formula. Okay, same structural formula but different arrangement. Here in this one we have to give a first and second. Okay, in the first compound CH3 is in left side, here CH3 is in right side, and then C2H5 is in right side, and here C2H5 is in the left side. This is called a enantiomers. And also you have to say this carbon atom star ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮು, this carbon atom bonded with 4 different atoms. Okay, do you agree? Br, C2H5, H, CH3. These are all 4 different atoms that is bonded with this carbon atom. This carbon atom has a chiral center. Okay, ಡು ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಕೈರಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮು 4 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕೈರಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್. ದಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕೈರಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್. Okay, and this will be call it as a enantiomers. In that, enantiomer means they have a non-superimposable mirror images. Okay, non-superimposable mirror images. Imposable mirror images. Do you know the name of non-superimposable mirror images? It means when we put this second one on the top of the first one, all the atoms should be ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಆಯಾಯ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ BR ಮತ್ತು H ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ C2H5 ಮತ್ತು CH3 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ನಾನ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಇಂಪೋಸಿಬಲ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಆಟಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, okay, that is call it as a superimposable mirror images. When we call it as these compounds are enantiomers, because these compounds have a chiral center. Chiral center means it is bonded with 4 different atoms and non superimposable mirror images. Okay, this is all about the isomerisms in alkyl halide. First one is chain isomerism, second one is positional isomerism, third one is optical isomerism. Okay, next is classification of alkyl halide. Okay, here how the alkyl halide is classified, and they are classified based on first one is number of halogen atom present. First one is number of halogen atom is present. It means single, double or whatever it may be, how many number of halogen atom is present, we have to classify it on the basis. Okay, second one is nature of carbon atom. Nature of carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached. Okay, it means when the carbon atom, it might be a single bond or a double bond or a triple bond, whatever it may be, which of the nature, based on this the halogen atom is attached to that carbon atom. Okay, last one is the hybridization of the carbon atom to which halogen atom, to which halogen atom is attached. It means the hybridization of the carbon atom. If carbon atom have a single bond, that is sp3 hybridization. If it is double bond, that is sp2 hybridization. If it is triple bond, sp hybridization. Based on the hybridization, we have to classify. These are the three types. Okay. First one is number of halogen atom is present. Second one is nature of carbon atom. And third one is the hybridization of the carbon atom. Let us move on to one by one. First one is number of halogen atom present. Okay, in that first one, monohaloalkanes. Monohaloalkanes, it means mono means one halogen atom should be attached to the alkanes. Here alkanes containing only one halogen atom. Alkenes containing only one halogen atom, that is called it as a monohaloalkanes. For example, CH3Cl, this is chloromethane. Number of carbon atom is 1. If it is one carbon atom is there, so that is called it as a methane. So chloromethane. I am writing here IUPAC name of the compound. Okay, in the IUPAC name the haloalkanes is there. First we have to write the halogen group and then alkane group. Again, for example, CH3 CH2 Br. How many carbon atom is there? 2 carbon atoms, so it is ethane. First you have to write a bromo ethane. Okay, this is all about the monohaloalkanes, the alkanes containing only one halogen atoms. Second one is dihaloalkanes. Dihaloalkanes means di means two halogen atom is attached. So alkanes containing two halogen atoms. Okay, so that is called as a dihaloalkanes. For example, CH2 Cl. Okay, here 2 chlorine atoms should be attached to 2 carbon atoms, so the alkane group is ethane. Here you have to give a number because more than one halogen group is attached. So 1, 2, we have to write a 1, 2 both, because both the carbon atom should be attached by chlorine atoms. 1, 2 dichloro. How many halogen atom is there? 2 halogen atoms, so that's why dichloro. ಯಾವುದು ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ ಇರೋದು? ವಿಚ್ ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ is present? Ethane. 2 carbon atom is present, so it is called it as a ethane. Next, another example is CH2 Cl, CH2, CH2, Cl. Okay, this will have a 2 chlorine atom is attached. In the place of chlorine atom you can also write the bromine or fluorine or iodine, whatever it may be. If you are not get confused, you can use only one halogen atom, so then you didn't get any confusion about the in the examples. Okay, here you have to give the number 1, 2, 3. Okay, in this side this will get the 2 carbon atom and this will get 3. In this side this will get the 3 carbon atom. So here, in which of the carbon atom chlorine atom is attached? First and third carbon atom. So you have to write the number first, 1, 3. How many chlorine atom is present? 2. So it is di. Halogen atom is chloro. Chloro. Which alkane is present? 1, 2, 3. 3 means propane. Dichloropropane. Okay. This is all about the dihaloalkanes. 2 halogen atom is attached to the carbon atom. Okay. Last one is polyhaloalkanes. Poly means more than 2. More than 2. It might be a tri, tetra, whatever it may be, but more than 2 halogen atom should be attached to the carbon atom. Alkanes containing more than 2 halogen atoms is attached. Okay, example CH, Cl, Cl, Cl. How many chlorine atom is there? 3 chlorine atoms. If you are getting give a number to the carbon atom, this will get only 1 carbon atom. So the common name is, normally it will call it as chloroform. Okay, CHCl3, and IUPAC name it is called it as 1, 1, 1. Here we are writing 1, 1, 1 because 3 chlorine atoms attached to the what? Only 1 carbon atom. So it is right 1, 1, 1. How many chlorine atom is there? 3. So it is tri. Chloro. Which alkane is present? There will be only 1 carbon atom is there, so it is called it as a methane. Okay, this is all about the polyhaloalkanes. It means more than 2 halogen atom is attached.